Are you looking for the best fairway woods? In this video we will look at some of the best fairway woods on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Pinemeadow PGX Offset Golf Fairway Woods. When playing golf, you need to use all your skills and concentration to ensure focus on the game's high success standards. You will have to use the right woods and iron in addition to these abilities, because that's how you get the shots. This makes choosing the right woods necessary. Therefore it's worth considering a brand that has a reputation if you're hunting for fairways that strike your shot's efficiency and accuracy. The Pinemeadow Offset Golf Fairway Wood is an awesome thing if you need lengthy shots. The fairway wood is built for both left-handed and right-handed players. It has the technology to prevent golfers from taking pleasure shots. The fairway wood is designed to provide a benefit for the club. The front of the club is offset, making it easy to reach long and clear pictures. It is built with graphite shafts, which are combined with the club head made of stainless steel. The fairway wood is produced with a head cover to ensure the club head is safe from harm. Thus, the Pinemeadow fairway wood is one of the best choices for you to provide the highest level of consistency and efficiency. Pros: straight and long shots, right and left side orientation. Shafts are made of graphite. Cons: the color on the sides fades away. Number 2. TaylorMade 2017 M2 Men's Fairway Wood. The TaylorMade M2 Fairway Wood is another top contender for the best fairway woods for high handicappers. It comes with all the features you need to improve your game without sacrificing style and comfort. Let's face it, not a lot of fairway woods for high handicappers are blessed with eye-catching style. Fortunately, the M2 is one of the stylish ones that will surely catch the attention of everyone you're playing with. But aside from its impeccable style, the TaylorMade M2 Fairway Wood also boasts superior construction and design. It has a stainless steel body coupled with a stainless steel face, a material that's known for superior durability. It also promises a better launch, so you know you're getting your money's worth. Also, the M2 has a 6-layer carbon crown, which further improves the aerodynamics of the club head but without sacrificing its durability. Carbon crowns are also lighter than traditional ones, so the balanced weight helps with how well we control the club. Like all the items on this list, a high handicap fairway wood should have a graphite shaft. Graphite shafts are known for being lighter than steel ones, and this makes it easier to swing. Fortunately, the TaylorMade M2 Fairway Wood uses a graphite shaft to make it high handicap friendly. Pros: it is very stylish. It offers maximum forgiveness. Made of premium and durable materials. It is made of multi-material components for improved durability and aerodynamics. It offers a superior feel and control. The speed pockets offer improved speed. Cons: it is not available for lady golfers. Number 3. TaylorMade M4 Fairway Wood. Golf is a very precise game, and when you have made up the mind to enter into the golfing field, you need to be aware of the fact that the right equipment is essential. The players need to ensure that they are playing with the best golf clubs out there. The golf clubs include irons and woods, but the pro players are always looking for the fairway wood. If you are one such golfer who has been eyeing the best fairway wood in the market, TaylorMade has some amazing choices that will optimize the game. This brand has a positive reputation in the market, which has made it one of the top choices. The fairway woods are available to meet the diverse needs of the players. So, let's see what TaylorMade has to offer with this fairway wood. Speed pocket creates more ball speed across the club face for more distance and forgiveness. Split weight mass pads provide increased and perimeter weight distribution. Ultra strong Nico 300 steel face insert allows for optimized ball speed. 5-layer carbon crown creates a lower CG by saving 8 grams versus a steel crown, driving higher launch while reducing spin. Fluted hostel provides superior sound and feel without compromising CG location. Playability through joystick technology. A large footprint and low profile shape makes it easy to launch and easy to play. The sole is shaped for optimal playability and improved sound and feel. Pros: higher launch, optimal forgiveness, easy to play and launch, improved playability, lower center of gravity, higher launch of the shots, reduction in spin. Cons: the flex is too stiff for some people. Number 4. TaylorMade Golf LHM6 Fairway Wood. The TaylorMade M6 Fairway Wood is another top contender for the high handicap-friendly fairway wood. Coming from a big brand like TaylorMade, we had a lot to expect from this item. Fortunately, much thought went into its design process, so it exceeded all our expectations. One of the most interesting features of this fairway wood is its twist face design. This feature provides a face curvature that's designed to correct how the ball flies, even if you make an off-center hit. As a result of the unique face curve, the ball experiences a reduced side spin for a more straight travel path, so you don't have to worry about the accuracy of your aim. TaylorMade Golf LHM6 Fairway Wood Review. The TaylorMade M6 Fairway Wood also has an advanced speed pocket design that allows for smoother swings to improve your speed. Because of your improved swing, you can produce further distances and higher lifts for an impressive overall performance. And this will surely have a positive impact on your score. Pros: it offers a smooth swing action. The curved lower face improves ball speed even with low swing speeds. It is made of premium and durable materials. The twist face feature allows the ball to travel into a straight line even after an off-center hit. Users can choose between 3 shaft configurations: regular, senior, and stiff. It offers impressive control. Cons: as of writing, there are no negative TaylorMade M6 Fairway Wood reviews. Number 5. Founders Club Fresh Metal Golf Clubs. The Founders Club Metal Fairway Wood is built for the players who try to heal the irrationality problem. They offer good high shots. The clubs have minor offset to ensure that they reduce the chance of hitting the ball and allow more leverage. It's a club on which you can still rely, whether you switch off the tee or on the fairway. It is a utility club that will take you out of the rough in one stroke when you use it right. You can buy them in the right hand or left hand variations. The clamps are normal or rolled. They are all fitted with their very own easy-to-like soles from the Founders Club, which aligns a shot a breeze. As part of this range, there are 8 clubs available. The 3 kinds of wood are made of a loft of 15 degrees, the 5 with an 18-degree loft, the 7 with a 21-degree loft, 9 with a 24-degree loft, and the 13 with a 30-degree loft. The shaft is made of graphite in every club. Pros: they are well-designed clubs with a rugged atmosphere. It has various loft angles. It streamlines your shots. Cons: it can be a little easier to reach. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.